Alright, we are live. And we are live!
Buhay, buhay, buhay!
Good
Good
morning!
morning again sa inyo lahat yan, kakabsat. Pagbigat, malam, kan rabi iyo ang amin, dita, kailukan one.
So good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all the people wherever you may be.
Yes.
Welcome to our live. And again, we are doing this live for our 90-day success challenge, and today is our 6th day.
6th day, which is September 2.
September 2 right now,
2024.
11:40 in the morning here in Northern California. So thank you once again for those
Thank you for tuning in always there.
Yeah, especially for
watching
those who
our
are
replays.
Yes, there you go. Thank you for the support. Again, so we'll have another task again today, right? 6th day. What's our topic for today? Let's see. So for our day 6, our task is to talk about your morning routine and its impact. Anyway, before we proceed in answering that one, again, we want to greet Happy Labor Day for in America. Right?
America, yeah, yesterday.
For people who are watching us here in America, Happy Labor Day. It's a long weekend for most of us, so enjoy your day today. It's gonna be hot out here in our area. I think it's gonna be what 100 you said
No,
today or no?
It's gonna be tomorrow. Tomorrow yung
tomorrow,
100.
okay.
Today 90 sata, 98. But it's gonna be still hot.
We'll see. We haven't thought about what to do yet with our kids, but we'll see. For those who are on break today, yeah,
I know,
bring your family, bring your kids outside. It's a good, nice weather today.
Long weekend, syempre lahat yan. Maraming lumabas.
Right. So anyway, going back to our topic, it says talk about your morning routine and its impact. So
Morning routine. Morning routine. So syempre, school pag weekdays, I got ilan ang estudyante natin this year? 3, right? 3 na ang estudyante natin. And then they have to wake up, I think 8 o'clock yung start ng klase nila, and then they have to wake up around 6:45. I wake them 6:45. Ganon din si Leah. But prior for that one though, meron tayong maliit na baby, right? And she wakes up in the morning, early morning. Siyempre, konting tulog na naman yon, and then wake up at 6:45. Para kaming nagpo-football eh. Papasa ko na yung baby kay Zap eh. By the time yung oras na yun eh. Pasa ko na sa kanya eh. So wake up Leah, yung pangatlo namin, which is kindergarten siya. Bihisan ko na siya, mag-toothbrush na siya. And then ganun din yung dalawa. At least yung dalawa naka-alarm. So they change in their room. So brush your teeth. Ayun na, punta na ako, cook their food. At least okay nga itong mga bata, nasanay sila. They always eat rice in the morning. Okay din naman sa akin yun kasi at least pagdating nila sa school, hindi sila yung lalamya-lamya. At least energetic sila. Pag nakakain sila ng talagang meal. I'm not saying na yung mga cereal in the morning or anything, but I prefer rice. Alam mo naman, Pilipino. Rice. And then, siyempre, and then 7:30, by 7:30, tapos na dapat sila. Ako naman, tapos na ako nakapag-prepare ng mga lunches nila. And then, drop off ko na sila. Drop off ko na yung, nung first week, dinadrop off ko pati si Leah. And then, the following week, yung mag-ate na ang nag-drop off. Nagsasalitan silang dalawa. And then, by the time I got home again, so pauwi na ako, siyempre, maghugas ka ng mga plato dyan. Sweep the floor, maglinis-linis ka na kasi wala na yung mga bata ulit. Walang magulo. And then, linis ng bahay. And then, Yun, mag-iisip na naman ako kung anong kakainin namin for lunch and dinner. Kaya pag nakaisip na ako, magdi-defrost na ako ng mga lulutuin. And then here comes Ayana na, wake up na siya. Ay, siya naman ang susunod kong papakainin, si Yana. And then,
The
by
fourth
that time,
child.
by that time din na darating ako, mga 9 o'clock, si Zapra, kailangan na rin niya mag-pump. Kasi, papasa na naman niya sa akin yung baby. Buti nga may kami, may tawag mo. may bench
Hindi ko
kami, may
naisip
bench player din kami na pwede kong pagpasahan eh. So pag the day na magpa-pump na si Zap, papasa niya sa akin, and then pag time ko na magluto kasi malapit na 12 o'clock, meron kami bench player din eh. Pasa ko kay mama ko. Pasa ko kay mama. Mama, tignan mo muna si baby. Kasi magluluto ako ng pagkain natin. Siyempre, gano'n na naman. And here comes mga kasi mas naunang
Morning routine ka lang, gagawin mo na buong araw.
Gano'n naman talaga eh. Recycle na lang yun. Gano'n na naman yung routine.
Pag morning routine niya.
Parating gano'n. Gano'n ang nangyari.
No, I get it.
And then, siyempre, ang impact naman nun, if I'm not gonna do those ones, I'm not gonna do those things na mas gugustuhin ko matulog. Kawawa naman to. Siya naman itong gising until morning kasi kay baby.
Night shift yung baby.
Night shift yung baby eh. Siyempre, kailangan talaga tulungan, hand in hand. Ganon din sa business, sa digital business na to. Kung ikaw lang mag-isa nagtatrabaho, talaga mahirap. Kaya nga, may mga business partners tayo, and then we have a system na it could help you with this journey, na mapapadali yung journey na to. Kasi almost 92% na nga yung 92%, pero mas pinadali pa yung group natin. Sa group lang natin, naging 95. So 5% na lang yung gagawin mo with this digital business. Ayun. Yung impact naman, kung yun nga, yung sabi ko nga, itutulog ko na lang. And then, siyempre, hirap na mabat. Hirap na si Zap. And then, hindi ko gigisingin yung pang third namin. Parang hayaan ko lang siya yung gigising at that time. Wala na. Late na yung mga bata. At saka, tatama rin ako magluto ng pagkain nila. Ano na lang, parang, punta na lang natin, kuha na lang kayo tinapay. Ganun na lang. Wala na. So, as much as possible, kung ganun ang mangyayari, siyempre, yung mga bata, maapektuhan yung pag-aaral nila kasi they will be hungry. Masakit ang ulo nila. Hindi sila mag-excel sa school. Kaya kung gagawin mo yon, please, diba? Mas,
impact pa, it affects our relationship din.
Ay, tama. Lalo na, alam nyo naman yung mga bagong panganak, diba? Meron yung postpartum. Totoo yung mga postpartum stress na yan. Mababaliw-baliw yung mga yan. Kaya totoo yung mga yan. Yung parang
kulang kami sa tulog.
Kulang sila sa tulog, and then, siyempre, matidepress sila. Alam ko na kagad ang gagawin. Pakakalmahin mo na si misis mo na, at least ito na. Buwan-buwan na naman to. Bilog na naman ang araw. Yun yung routine ko na which is I love what to do naman. Gusto ko naman yung ginagawa ko, hindi naman yung napipilitan ako. Hindi naman yung parang dahil
consistent si Mr. na perfect niya na yan, pang-5 na eh.
At saka hindi dahil tatay ako, obligasyon ko yun. Hindi dahil kailangan kong dapat gawin yun dahil isa kami parents. Ganun, kung na rin yun.
It's your obligation,
but then again, I love what I'm doing.
Mm-hmm.
Kung
kasi
sasama,
kasi ka, mahirap.
Parang sa kape mo yan, parang you added a little bit more creamer or sugar para tumamis yung kape mo, or parang you have to put yung secret ingredient, which is love. Pag nilagay mo yung ingredient na love na yun, everything will go smoothly. Just like in our digital business. kung yung mga helping hands na yung mga business partners natin yan, when they help you, it will go easy. Magiging easy yan. Teamwork. Hello, Auntie. Hello, mga si Auntie Piping Duran. Nandito siya sa I think Canada ata si Auntie. Yes,
Hello
team.
po.
Hello po, Auntie.
Hello to our 3 million viewers.
Sabi niya,
Sis
teamwork.
Maristel.
Yes,
Hello.
teamwork
Good
talaga.
morning.
Teamwork. Which is
Nahabol mo kami.
yan yung pinopromote ng
Digital
business
Teamwork.
namin. Teamwork talaga. Sabi ko nga, kung yung sa door may push and pull, kami, pull lang lahat. Wala kami, hindi namin pinupush yung mga ibang business partners. We have to pull them kasi para lahat kami, sabay-sabay tayong aangat. Yeah.
Right.
Ikaw naman, ako na nang nagsalita.
Mahirap kasi yung morning routine, parang recently, of course, because of our newborn, sira yung parang routine. Kung merong mang routine na parang may yung routine ko before the newborn.
Hindi, nadagdagan yung routine mo.
Siyempre dahil nga yun so ang baby namin night shifter. So sa gabi talaga parang yun nga yung siguro trinitrain niya na rin ako para pagbalik sa trabaho hindi nag-a-adjust pero
night shifter naman kayo. Okay ka lang, pero, hindi ka mag-a-adjust.
Ayun nga, pero still mahirap, 'di ba? Kasi nga of course yun nga, I have to do pumping. So may time kailangan kahit sa time na kung kailan antok ka na, doon pa naman yung kailangan ka mag-pump. But anyway, so parang but if it's daylight, morning, regular morning, yun nga, pag si Mr. ayun, kailangan may gising naman ako pag nag-a-alarm yan. So when he's awake, I have to, kung nasa kanya si baby, yun nga, pasahan kami. Kukunin ko si baby sa kanya. So that
season ngayon.
Continuous na matulog si baby, siya pag mag-take care ng mga bata. And then,
minsan,
hintayin ko lang siya makabalik from school na pag-drop off sa mga bata. Then, pasa ko na naman sa kanya because it's the time for me to pump again. So, ganun yung kwan namin recently. But actually, what I want to add there na hindi na sabi ni Mr. actually, before even that, before our newborn medyo na nababawasan, medyo na throw off ba ng konti siguro yung sa routine mo yung kasi ang style ng asawa ko po, ang style namin, we have a Bible app that actually gives us a verse every day. So early in the morning, when he wakes up and opens his phone, yun yung una, nakita niya yung Bible verse. He shares it in his social media, and he meditates on it. We pray about it, he prays about it. So ganun din sa akin kasi iba dahil nga before, of course, when I used to, before having the baby, ang morning ko isang night, 'di ba? Sa gabi ako. So paggising ko ng sa gabi to go to work, I do my quick personal prayer. And then, syempre prepare na, ganyan. Pero, on my way to go to work, meron kaming, nasa call kaming ng asawa ko. And then, we pray. We pray, all the mga lahat ng mga
we make
pray namin as for our family.
Habit.
Yeah, we make it a habit na ipag-pray kapag
or especially
depende kung saan ako mag-work.
Especially kung may lumalabas ng bahay.
Yeah.
Or every time we go somewhere, pray pa rin.
Pero yung routine nga natin na ganun, depende sa pupuntahan kong trabaho. Kapag yung mas malapitan lang na work ko, we pray, we mostly just do our prayer for our whole family. But if it's my other job where I drive for almost an hour and a half, we also take that time to read some verses. Before we used to, sometimes we choose like a book in the Bible that we will read the whole entire, every parang chapter to chapter. and then we pray, for the about it, and then yung prayer namin as a family. So ganun yung
Yes.
isang yun yung mga routine namin. And of course, ano yung impact nun? Of course, spiritual health namin, our relationship, the it's a
growing.
right, and it's improving our relationship to him, and for our relationship na mag-asawa, kasi yun, doon kami, actually it's one of our way na nilalabas namin yung kung ano mang, sometimes kasi as a in any relationship na, no, as husband and wife, hindi mo maiwasan, sometimes there are times when you guys you have some hindi pagkakaunawaan. Kapag tayo na magpe-prayer na yan, lalabas na dyan. Lalabas mo na dyan kasi nga, yun, that's, di ba, pag-pray kami is our time to ask for forgiveness, tapos, pero meron kang parang sakit ng loob sa kanya, so that's the time na mailalabas din namin. So,
Sakit ng loob ka pala.
hindi. Yun nga, sinasabi ko lang that
Mm.
that's our time to also, doon kami, through this, yung routine na yun nakakatulong sa amin para maayos kung ano man hindi pagkakaintindihan. Like I said, it's improving our relationship. What else? Ano pa ba? Sa morning routine. Halos,
Hindi, mababagong morning routine natin once you go back to work.
yeah.
Ay, sa akin, mas mababago.
Kaya nga,
Kasi
kailangan
especially
palitan natin yung schedule.
Pag nighttime ka, syempre, mostly nasa akin yung bata.
Mhm.
Hindi, syempre, painit ng milk dyan kasi wala ka naman dyan. Kasi at least kung nagpapump ka,
Mhm.
diretso ka agad, meron ka na napump.
Mhm.
Eh kung nag-work ka na, wala, magpapainit na naman ako. Gigising. Anyway, that's how life is.
Yeah.
You need to be there, you need to work on it. Just like with our business, you have to work on it.
Yeah. Paano pa ba maiano sa business natin to? Yung about sa routine na yan. Hi to our 5 million viewers. Hi, Jenny. Good morning. And to Pastor Ana. Hello po.
Hello,
Thank you
hello
for
po.
watching.
Ayun, maganda yung sila Pastor Ana, maganda yung
Oo.
project nilang nag-improve. Nice.
I want to shout out to our pastor, Pastor Anas. They've been
Yes,
our prayer warriors.
they've
They've been
been
praying
our
for us.
yung
Kahit nasa Pilipinas sila, they've been our
guidance sa amin.
spiritual support,
Yeah.
So, naku, sila ang
Mentors
sila
namin.
rin ang
Sila yung
isa sa mga
mentors
secret
namin.
sabihin ko sa inyo, isang secret namin yan in our business is they've been praying for us in this business. So
Yes.
talagang, kaya nga yung business dapat hindi lang talagang, like I said, you dedicate your business. Kung you want success, have God be involved in anything that you do in this business.
Yes.
So
And then you need to always glorify His name in every we don't take credits yung mga success namin success namin or promotions namin.
Kasi we know that only God
is the one who gave those
He's
ones.
the one who gives promotion, right? Yeah. Ano pa? So, dahil nabanggit ko yung patungkol sa morning routine, actually today, in our Bible app, this is the verse that came up. So, we would just want to share it to you guys. So, it's in Psalms 94, verse 9.
19.
Oh, sorry, 19. Allah, nako. I have 4 eyes. 94, verse 19. It says, when anxiety was great within me, your consolation brought me joy. Other version of that in King James, it says, pretty much, thy comfort delights my soul. So, ang Panginoon, this is just a reminder that, when trials come and, you start getting worried about things, andyan ang Panginoon to comfort you, right? Just that's why just run to Him, pray. That's why it's nice to have that routine to always pray. And ano ba masabi mo about this verse?
Kasi with this verse, kasi anxiety, so syempre
like worrying.
Worry. If I keep on worrying yung sa daily routine namin, worry kung sinong gigising sa amin na magluto ng pagkain ng mga bata, or who's gonna prepare them go to school, or sinong gigising sa amin when the baby wakes up. Ng mga ganun na bagay, syempre, our relationship is gonna be falling down. But the thing is, even yun nga yung mentally, yung in spiritual way ng pag-iisip namin ni Mrs. and there's a worrying is a sin. So that's as much as possible we don't have to worry kasi you're sinning.
You're
Yun ang sabi sa
steaming.
Bible eh.
Yes.
That's why sabi rin ng Panginoon, kung yung
If worrying,
great within me, sabi niya
no,
ganun
kasi
eh.
if worrying starts coming in,
Mm.
trying to sip in and try to come into your life,
Kailangan mo
kung mo i-combat it with
labanan
faith.
mo,
Labanan mo siya with
divert
faith.
mo. Kasi yung consolation niya yun, it will brought you joy. Ayun.
Yeah. Well, yun nga, yung labanan mo siya with your faith. Start praying.
Then, yung pa yung there's a saying na I keep on saying,
Worry
ends where faith begins.
Where faith begins. So,
worry ends where faith begins.
Yeah. Kasi hindi mo nga, yun nga, worry ka ng worry. And then, pero you know naman na in this life actually, you're not in control of the situation.
Yes.
Most of the time, right? You're
You're
not in
not
control.
in control.
And so, bakit ka pa mag-waste ng time mo na, keep worrying about it when why don't you just run to God, right? And ask for His help. Kasi nga, He's the one who can help you. He's the one who is in control of our life. So He knows how to fix it. He is actually the solution, in everything, in all your worries and all your trial or problems. So, takbo ka sa Kanya. Yun yung nun eh. Kaya nga yun nga, combat it with faith. Mas lalo mong palakasin yung faith mo sa Panginoon when those things, when trials, worries starts coming in. Of course, you're just like, just human nature natin kung minsan kasi parang kapag na-overwhelm na tayo, nandiyan na situations come, parang hindi mo maiwasan kung minsan na mapaisip, worry can definitely starts coming in. Pero when you start noticing it, ikon mo na,
i-divert nyo.
Yeah, try to stop.
Make a pause.
Yes, make a pause. Try to stop it from
Thinking of it.
getting bigger, or yun yung becoming greater in you. Kasi gawa ng kaaway yan eh, diba? The enemy wants you to think na,
parang you have to learn to voice it out. Mahirap din pag if you're worrying tapos sinasarili mo lang. You need to, malay mo pala may kasagutan si misis mo o husband mo. You have to talk it out. Or sa parents mo kung gusto mo mag-open. Kasi alam mo naman parang utot yan eh. Pag kinikimkim mo, pag lumabas, mabaho. Di ba?
Illustration mo.
Bakit? Siyempre, we need to, practically speaking lang naman eh. Tapos in everyday life, ganun lang naman eh. Tama naman yung mga yun.
So, ayun. So, ayun. We hope we were able to answer that question. We're able to do our task today. And hopefully, we're able to inspire.
Tingnan mo, maganda tong segment natin, di ba? There's fun. There's joy. Less stress. So what more? Come join us.
Yeah.
Join our digital business world.
Yeah. So anyway, thank you again for watching us every day. So, meron ba bang bagong viewers natin dyan? But then for those who will watch our replay, you can leave a comment, share your ideas, or also maybe just put in, where you come from, if ever we might not, kung hindi man namin kayo friends or kilala, just put where you come from, and so we can connect with you as well.
Yeah, and, message us.
Message
Ano,
us. Yeah. Thank you, Pastor Anna, for always praying for us. But anyway, so we just want to share you our digital business. So we're doing this challenge because we want to improve ourselves. We want to be able to use this parang platform
Platform to give encouragement.
inspire other
Inspire
people,
other
educate
people,
them
yes.
about what this digital business is and how it can help you, your family, as it did for us.
Yes.
There's a lot of great benefits from this business, and if you want to know
Yes.
what it can how it can help you, just visit our website. As you can see in our screen, it's in www.genozap.com.
Yes. Ayun, and I like to acknowledge si Slay watching. Good morning, good morning.
Shirley, nakahabol.
Nakahabol.
Hindi pa replay sis, hindi
Hindi
pa, live pa.
replay, yes.
Good morning.
Yeah, just like when di ba, when you're mag-a-apply ka sa mga trabaho or anything, you always check on the benefits, right? You have to check on the benefits kung maganda or maganda yung offer,
Mag-fit ba sa
mag-fit
akin?
sa akin. Then
You wouldn't know if you don't check it out,
yes,
right?
that's true. So you have to check out lalo na with the benefit of writing off, tax write-off.
It's almost the end of the year.
Yes, end of the year.
Think of that.
Jose Marichan, nandito na, kumakanta-kanta na. September na.
Merry Christmas in
Berber
advance
na.
sa mga
Merry
sa
Christmas,
Pilipinas,
yes.
ha?
So pretty much parang ang September na ata ang New Christmas eh.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then yes. Again, kung may mga what do you call this one? Mga questions kayo, and try to PM us.
Yeah, message us, comment down below.
Just
Message us in our Facebook.
go to our website www.genozap.com, and we will
We'll try to answer your
try
questions,
to answer your questions
and give you
and
more information.
yes, just put your name there, register,
on our
put your
website.
email in our website, and then once you go to the next step, PM us, and we will guide you
all the way.
Oh, may humabol si Auntie Lolit.
Hello po, good morning.
Lolit,
Happy Labor Day.
Yeah, happy Labor Day. So again, this is Ken.
And I'm Zap.
Less stress,
More joy,
more fun.
So
Kaya join us. And we are proud
digital business owners.
owners.
And we are signing off.
See you again
Bye
tomorrow.
for now. See you again tomorrow.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you for tuning in.